Hi, Dress Your Kitties, Whitney here. It's DIY time, and today we're going to be making this super easy wall calendar. But before we get started, I just wanted to say Happy New Year, cuties. To create this Draws So Cute Mini Wall 2022 calendar, just go to my website at drawsocute.com and download and print out these 3 sheets of paper right here to create the calendar. And it is totally free. So I really hope you love this calendar just as much as the mini desk one that I just made. And what's really nice about this calendar is that you get to create your own artwork right here in these boxes. So once you've done printing it out on regular Xerox paper, just go ahead and draw your artwork here and color it however you want to decorate it, and then cut out these 2 panels right here. So to make the wall calendar itself, it's very simple. You just need scissors, some tape or glue, whatever you like to use to decorate your artwork, and a piece of string, whatever you can to use, have at home to just hang the calendar. And I am going to go ahead and pick my favorite month right now, which is, if you can guess, is December. And the reason December is my favorite month is because that's when my birthday is. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight my birthday so you know. And it's December 14th, and yes, it's coming up. So I'm going to go ahead and very quickly just create a very simple little drawing right here in this little box, so you can hopefully that will inspire you to start with your calendar. So they're all done. I really hope you love what I've created here for my month of December, and that this really inspires you to create your own artwork for each month. So once you're done with that, like I said, just go ahead and cut out each panel. And I've gone ahead and done that just to make things a little bit faster here. And so it's just like this. You're going to end up with, let's see here, 4, there. So you're going to end up with 2, 4, 6 sheets, right? So 2 months, 2 times 6, 12. We have to do some math, right? So just make sure you end up with 6 sheets. And once you're done with those 6 sheets, just fold it in half, just like this. And when you line them up, just go January to February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and then December, and then just put everything back together, fold it nice and tight again. And really easily, if you want to make a wall calendar, just get a piece of string like this, and I'm just going to loop it right under here so we don't have to create any messy bindings or anything like that. This is just so much simpler. And you just get your piece of string right here, and you just tie it up and then just pin it to the wall, just like that. And once you're done with each month, either just and when you're done with, like, say January, just flip your calendar over. And then when you're done with this 2 months, just take it away or just tuck it right back underneath this calendar if you want to save it. But if you want to also create other than a wall calendar, I thought it'd be really cool, we could make a stand right here, just like my mini desk calendar, but this is just much easier. Just 1 sheet of paper that you can create, and you can just pop it on right here onto onto the stand and they'll just sit right there on your desk. So there's two options. And if you want to create this is really simple. So just get, you can just get your regular piece of 8.5 by 11 paper. But if you want to add some color, I just had some construction paper. This is slightly bigger than the 8.5 by 11, but it all works. And all you want to do is basically just, I'm just going to use my Xerox paper because that's what most of you have. And you just want to fold it in half. So I'm just going to say, tentatively say, half of this paper is about right there. And I'm just going to go ahead and fold down. And then do the same thing on the other side. You just want to meet up wherever you folded it. Doesn't have to be perfectly centered. You just want to meet together and then just fold down. And once you're done with that, just fold it in half. Make sure everything is nice and tight right there. And once you're done folding that in half, get your artwork back and you just want to put this on top of it so you can kind of see like where you need to end so you don't fold too much. So I'm just going to say, I'm just going to put a little mark right here to give myself a little mark so I know kind of where I need to fold. Right here, oops, sorry. So fold down right here. And you want to do the same thing on the other side approximately. And if you fold it too much or too little, you can always just adjust. So once you're done with that, very simply, just make everything tight again. And you just want to connect the bottoms right here to make your stand. And then just voila, right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and tape this. You can use glue or tape, but tape is just so much easier. So I'm going to go ahead and tape this down. Just make sure it's even on the other side as well when you're taping it. Sorry if I went off the page. Okay, so I've taped this. I'm just going to put one more piece of tape to make it nice and sturdy. And ta-da! You have a very simple stand with a regular Xerox piece of Xerox paper, and it's still very sturdy. Of course, if you have stock paper, nice fancy paper at home, that will work really well as well. So once you have that, ta-da! Just pop the calendar right on there. And just like my mini desk calendar, when you're done with it, just either toss it or just tuck it right back under. So I really hope that inspires you to either make this or to make it a wall calendar. So before I go, I wanted to show off some beautiful fan art since I have these empty boxes here, and it was just a perfect opportunity to show off your fan art. And this idea came to me as a last minute thing while I was working on this, and so I hopped onto Instagram and I asked you cuties to tag your fan art to hashtag DrawSoCute2022. And thank you cuties for entering, and I know this is a last minute thing, and so I really appreciated your effort. And so I really love all this fan art, and I was just so excited every day to check. I mean, it was only maybe a couple of days, but I kept checking to see all your entries, and I kept thinking, oh my gosh, which one am I going to pick? What do I have in mind? And so I really hope you love these fan art and the ones I chose, and congratulations to the winners, and thank you to all the entries. So they're all done. I really hope you love this wall calendar and that you thought it was really fun and easy to make. Just remember to go to my website at drawsocute.com and download the 3 sheets, and it's totally free and print it out, and it's just my little gift to you cuties this year. And once again, if you wanted to make it a wall calendar, just simply put a piece of string or make a stand and pop it on right here and put it on your desk. Simple as that, and I really hope you thought it was. And before I go, I just wanted to thank you cuties again for continuing to inspire me and to support me. And thank you for all the comments and the love that you continue to give me. And I really hope in 2022 that I will be able to continue doing that for you as well, inspiring you and making you smile. So thank you cuties, and I love you, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.